They're small increments. I got a little increase. I'll get another 5% increase in July.
Oh, I hear water.
I've been up 10% this year. And then, yeah,
Oh,
it's really nice too.
I hear water coming right out of here.
But it's gonna get better. Rush. But you know what I thought? You know, I could start looking if I see something I really want. Then I can,
but I mean, I'm just saying, how have you kept your miles so low?
I bought it.
What's your train of thing?
I stayed more local. I didn't drive. I didn't drive it as much.
You want me to take a picture of you in the bamboo?
I love. Rivas too. I always go and visit it.
Okay.
No, I love this stuff. This is great. You come down here and you're like, wow, where did this come from?
Yes. We're where? We're in the desert?
Susan, I want to do the minnow. Let's do it. Can you do it? Can you do the minnow? I do like to do that stuff with him a lot. I'm lucky to have him as a friend. He's a good friend to hike and do stuff with. He really is.
Yeah, I don't think he has a whole lot of friends.
At the junction, I think, is the best place because there'll be water to look at and stuff. Whoa.
Okay, I'll step over it.
Awesome campsite right down here.
Yeah, there's a couple along here.
Well, it's steep too.
Yeah, and part of the problem is that steepness comes at the back end of the hike. Because you drop 2,000 feet down in the drainage and you have to come back out. Well, it'd be perfect for that. And there are some camping spots. Like there was a couple that was camping that really camped down there. I met them. They were going in and saw this coming out. I only saw 3 pairs of people hiking.
And we got down here and the water was flowing
The junction.
Okay.
The junction.
You're up on that bench. If you're ever out, you want to stay and don't want to. Right up on that bench, back there are the sweetest campsites.
Okay.
In the planet. Yeah. Very, very nice. There's 6 or 7 campsites.
Oh, look
up
at
there.
this, would you? Very cool. We must go down and see the rushing water. Without falling. Well, it's hard to do and get a camera, as you know, in your hand. Very cool. Yep, that's what I'm thinking, cookies.
Really fast, girl. I'm gonna put it back in my mouth. Is that gross? It's like just been on rock. You know what I would say with the wilderness is cleaner out here than it is in the cafeteria or restaurant, right?
Yeah, he was, yeah, for a long time he was a mountain biker, and then when they started professional adventure racing, he got into that. And then he,
Heavy. You know what I mean? I wanted to.
Lots of water here.
Your impacts don't have. Well, for me, it's like easy to do all this because right now this is hanging on my neck and it's starting to bug me. It gets heavy. It's hard to put the wind in the side.
You know, because I've gotten these. Ashley got me like
Straps in.
and I bought my daughter a strap too.
Is that enough of a break for you?
Yep.
Where'd you get those? They're not ugly. You know, hiking shoes are so ugly. And I was like, I know they are. Dude, I have a hard time finding hiking pants that have deep pockets. Right. Lower on your thigh. Right.
Up the hill we go.
And on both sides. I know. Yeah. Oh no, that's they're great.
There was a time back
Those are cute. How are cute? That gray?
some fashion place tried to make hiking shoes in fashion,
Right.
and I was with a group of friends that would go hiking. One of the ladies, Cyrus Bible,
Yes, it is.
a lot of nice looking fashion hiking shoes.
Well, it depends who the maker of the shoes is.
Well, they weren't made for hiking. They were just made for looks
Well, you
because
can't
it
do
was
that.
the in
No.
look, you know.
Look at these. They make them like these. These are Montrails. They're trail runners.
Yeah.
They're pink and silver. But they're they're fairly. These are waterproof too. So it's like you gotta get the right boots.
Well, yeah.
Solomon's got the right. Solomon's a great line. First pair of hiking boots I ever owned. Solomon. And I loved them. I wore them. I just ripped them to shreds. They were great.
Right, there was a group at the marina.
But the King, the boots the King makes, you can hardly.
How do you get up to Battleship?
The other side, south side.
Yeah, you gotta go
Territory
up
like
the canyon
this.
here.
The Kings are great. Yeah. But some of the trail runners these days are they're pretty nifty for stuff like this. You know, you're
Palomino, right?
trail, it's like,
No, that's what is that?
Either the caboose or the tugboat.
Oh, that's a tugboat ahead.
really good
probably the same red. They call it
Yes, yeah, they're great.
La Park.
Well, and that's the deal is when you have amphibians, can't enough to hike in. I mean, you can do water stuff in them and come out and walk on dry land too. Oh, God, they're on. They're on there too. They are amphibious shoes, though. You know, they're meant to do that. So.
Had all the waterfalls. And I didn't hiking there as a baby.
This had to be something back
Okay.
here.
Back in the day, we used to just do the regular hiking route. And once you get them wet, that's it. You know, then you just stay in them. But they never grip on the rocks quite well enough.
Studs in the soles. And that's what I ended up going with. That was
That's
really...
that cactus. That's a shin buster right there, boy.
But I didn't know that anybody'd ever come up with a rubber sole that would have good traction on wet rock.
Yep, some of them do now. They're getting better.
Yeah, I
Better
haven't.
than they used to be.
Yes, it does.
Hard for the Boy Scouts to come and swim the book because they couldn't let me. It's a good place, I mean, it's a nice, it's a camping spot that's nice.
Yeah.
It's good out here. There's a lot of growth and it's good. They were probably doing a loop. You know, the 9-mile loop, or they might be in for a couple days, or...
They were heading towards Tortilla.
Like they said, then they continue to keep the grandfather tradition for our level. But if they refurbish it or repair it, because I used to sell like efficiency equipment for welding and stuff, and they'll say, well, all this is fine. I think it's over here, but Angela.
No, it's not. I'm just going here. Well, I guess actually it is too.
I thought it was like right on you and that.
And I mean, it was like I've seen it for a long time.
Gonna be some wet shoes.
For me? What jacket is that?